Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to locate center of a circle full guide. Draw two non-parallel chords and mark their midpoints. Use a straight edge to draw perpendicular bisectors of those chords. The intersection of the bisectors is the circle's center. Confirm by checking equal radii to several points on the circumference. If chords are hard to draw, use a compass to copy arcs and form chords of similar length before bisecting. I'll show a classic compass and straight edge method that is easy and precise. Start by drawing any chord across the circle, then set your compass wider than half that chord. With the compass centered on each chord and point, draw two arcs that intersect on both sides. Connect each pair of intersection points to form perpendicular bisectors. Their crossing marks the center, and you can verify by measuring equal radii to the edge. Try alternate approaches when tools or time are limited, and pick what suits your situation. Use a diameter method by drawing a chord through an obvious diameter point, then bisect it. For a quick approximation, draw two visible chords and eyeball perpendiculars to estimate the center. You can also fold paper over a printed circle to find the center by crease intersection, which is surprisingly accurate for rough work. Practice often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.